Hello students, in my last video I have taught you how to derive equations of motion using graph. Now in this video I will tell you about solution of certain problems based on numericals using equation of motion. If you have not seen how to solve equation of motion using graph, I will provide you the link of those videos in my today's description box. So let's start solution of numericals based on equation of motion. So what is known to you? There are three equations of motion. What is first equation of motion? Yes, tell students. V equals U plus AT. Okay. What is second equation of motion? S equals UT plus half AT square. And what is third equation of motion? V square minus U square equals 2AS. In today's video, I will tell you how to use a particular equation of motion to solve a particular numerical. Which one will applied in which numerical? I will guide you correspondingly. Okay. So let's start numerical number 1. That is, a car increases its speed from 20 km per hour. From means that is its initial speed or initial velocity. So initial speed is denoted by a symbol U and its value is 20 km per hour. Okay. It is in kilometer per hour. So my first approach is to convert it into SI system. So how can I convert kilometer per hour into meter per second? Multiplying it by 5 by 18. Okay. So what will be the result? Yes, 5 by 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. 10 5s are 50 upon 9. It was in kilometer per hour and now it will be in meter per second. Clear up to now? So you have applied a formula to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. How? By multiplying the given value by 5 by 18. Okay. From 20 kilometer per hour to 50 kilometer per hour. What does it mean? Final speed, and final speed is denoted by symbol V, that is 50 kilometer per hour. So same, doing in the similar manner, 50 into 5 by 18. Okay. 2 9s are 2 25s are. Okay. So 25 5s are 125 upon 9 meter per second. Okay. Up to now you have converted both the velocity or speed, initial and final, in meter per second. As speed is changing from 20 km to 50 km per hour in 10 seconds. So time or time required, I may write here, that is equal to 10 second. Very good. It is in seconds, so no need to convert now. We have to calculate acceleration. Acceleration is denoted by A to be find out. Students, recall the identities. You know there are three identities. V equals U plus AT. S equals UT plus half AT square. V square minus U square equals 2AS. Students, out of these three equations, I have to use a particular one that relate V, U, T and A. Which one is that is relating V and U? In this equation, U is present but not V. So I am not using second. V and U both are present. But it is with the time, it is with position or distance or displacement. So I am using here first one. So as to learn, we must mention using first equation of motion. When you will practice writing in this manner, there will be no confusion finally after doing only 4 or 5 numericals. Okay, so v equals u plus at. What is to be find out? A. So firstly I have to find out A. That's why I am keeping A only towards left hand side. So V minus U equals AT, or A equals V minus U upon T. Students, directly, so as to find out acceleration A, you may apply formula of acceleration: rate of change of velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity upon my time taken. So what it will be? 125 upon 9 minus u is 50 upon 9 upon my 10. Okay. Now taking LCM, 125 minus 50 upon 10. So what will be the result? 125 minus 50, that is 75 upon 9. Okay. Next, 1 by 10. This is 75 upon 9, 1 by 10. 5 2s are 5 15s are. So 15 ones are 15 and 9 2s are 18. So what is up to now? 15 by 18. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. So result is 5 by 6. 6 8s are 48. 6 3s are 18. 0.83 meter per second square. Point to be noted that you have to put your results in proper SI units. Okay, so it was the solution of numerical number 1. Now start numerical number 2. Now numerical number 2 is with statement: a car acquires a velocity of 72 km per hour. It means acquire means achieve कर लेता है 72 km per hour in 10 seconds starting from rest. So starting from rest means initial velocity. I have told you earlier, if it is given starting from rest, initial velocity u is to be 0 meter per second. Okay. And final velocity is v, and what is given to you? V is 72 kilometer per hour. So 72 into 5 by 18, that is 20 meter per second. Why I have done so? So as to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. And time required is, what is the time required for this conversion? That is 10 seconds. Okay, we have to find out distance, average velocity and acceleration. Firstly, I am finding out acceleration here. I have told you in my previous numerical that for acceleration, either use first equation of motion or directly apply the formula of acceleration. I am applying here direct. So acceleration is equal to v minus u divided by time t. Clear? V minus u upon t. So what is v? Final velocity 20. What is u? Initial velocity 0. What is the time? 10. 20 minus 0 is 20, and 20 by 10 is equal to 2. And what is unit? Meter per second square. So acceleration has been found out. That is 2 meter per second. If sign is not here, it means it is assumed to be positive. Okay. Now average velocity. Average velocity. average velocity. Average velocity is represented by v average, that is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. What is initial? It is 0. What is final? It is 20 divided by 2. So what it will be? 20 by 2, 10 meter per second, because I am finding out here velocity, so it must be in meter per second. And third one, I have to find out distance. Now come to the same three equation of motion, so as to decide which one is to be used. Final velocity is given to us, initial velocity is given to us, acceleration has been found out, time and distance, which one will be used? So third equation, because we have to find out distance. ओके तो डिस्टेंस के लिए हम यहाँ क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. व्हाट इज इट? v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a s. So what will be the formula so as to calculate s? Keeping s on left hand side, the equation is v square minus u square upon में 2a. What is the value of v? Final velocity 20. So it will be 20 square. What is u? 0 initial velocity. 0 square upon में 2a. What is a? 2. So 20 square is 400. 400 minus 0, 400. 2 2s are 4. So it will be 100. Yes, students, tell what will be the unit? Because I am finding out here distance. Distance is always in meter. So it is 100 meter. Okay. So this was the numerical so as to calculate three different variables, that is acceleration, average velocity and distance. Okay. Now numerical number 3 is with the statement an object undergoes an acceleration. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसकी एक्सेलरेशन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम रेस्ट. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम रेस्ट मीन्स व्हाट? इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u equals 0 meter per second of value. What is the value of acceleration? Acceleration is a, that is equal to 8 meter per second square. Okay. Find the distance traveled in 1 second. So time taken t equals 1 second. Okay. What we have to calculate? Distance. Distance is denoted by s. So let's find out which one equation will be used. U T A is given, s is to be found out. For calculation of s, there are two equations, second equation and third equation. But third equation is with final and initial velocity. Final velocity is not given to us, so we can't use. Okay. Now, initial velocity u, time t, acceleration a is given to us, so we can calculate s by using second equation of motion. So using second equation of motion, s equals ut plus half a t square. What is the value of u? 0. 0 into t, 1, plus half a, 8 t 1 square. Okay. 0 ones are 0 plus half into 8 into 1 square equals 1. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So it will be 0 plus 4 equals 4 meter. So distance traveled by body is 4 meter. Why I have put here meter, not meter per second or meter per second square? Because I am finding distance. So distance is always in meter. So the result is 4 meter. Okay. Now You can practice yourself doing NCERT numericals, solved as well as unsolved, that is given in your exercise. As well, I will provide you certain numericals, okay, so as to solve. If you are having any query, you may ask in comment box, and subscribe the channel so as to get more videos on time, because ninth class series has been already started. Thank you. Have a nice day.